Good day all. Corgi dog. In United Kingdom, these dogs source. These dogs were bred for herding sheep and for guarding homes and for athletic purposes. And these dogs were kept in royal uh, palace of United Kingdom. All queen's dogs till her death, birth to death, she kept these dogs as their loyal dogs at her residence palace. As the dog needs very much exercise because of their overweight or becoming fat, the dogs were very much healthy because of huge palace they were living in Queen's Palace in United Kingdom. In Buckingham Palace, Sandringham or Ballymore, as these dogs were purebred for princess and royal people in United Kingdom. Their breed is also very genuine and very costly dog breeds. They were kept home food fed. Some of the names of the dogs of Palace of United Kingdom are all were Corgis dog breed. Muik, Sandy were the names. Other much loved Corgi dogs were Susan, Willow, Holly, Vulcan, Dookie, Monty, Honey, Berry, Emma, and Lynette were the dogs' names of the royal family of United Kingdom were living in Buckingham Palace, Queen's Palace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We have uploaded 360 plus dog videos on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Share with your family and friends.